Back guys, today we are going to see the practical example of encapsulation in Java programming. Let's create a public class here and let's move forward with the coding part of encapsulation in Java programming. So we are actually going to create a class student here, which would be, let's say, student, public class student. Okay, let's create out a private member here, which would be let's say a string kind of, which would be nothing but name. Now here we need to create the public method with the name, which would be a string kind of, again with the name as get name. And here you can just define it by returning simply the name. Else you can just go with the public void set name, so that I can just set my name, and inside this we are going to just take the arguments from user by the help of new new name variable. And here you can just assign name variable as new name, right? So here how it's work, let's just try to create the code first. After this you can just simply call your public class main. You can use the public static void main. You can just create out the object of the student class, and you can use the object here, let's say s, by the help of new keyword. And through s you can call your set, you can just call to set name, and here you can just pass the string as, let's say I'm passing out my name. After that you can just go with system.out.print, and you can just simply print out your get name. So what we did, we have just created a student class, we have assigned out the private name with the string name variable, we have given the get name function as public here. Through that we are just taking out the input. Again we just set the name by taking the input through new name. We have just used out the public class main method, and we just got the response. I hope this is understandable. Let's just try to execute the program. So here we are having something wrong. Let's just try to check the first of all error. So we can actually edit out here err to out, and we have not used out the brackets to call the functions. Else it's saying us that, okay, let's just try to remove the public as well, and let's just try to run the program. So we just got our required string, right? We have created a class of student, we have created the string variable name as private, so that we can just maintain the security, and further we just set the name by the set name function. Okay, and we have created the objects. Through the objects we have called out the functions, and we just got the response. So I hope this is clear. Encapsulation concepts, please let me know if any doubts or questions are there. Thank you.